He was a Scottish pirate and hothead, but Castaway Alexander Selkirk was also the inspirational figure behind Daniel Defoe's literary masterpiece. In this cocktail, spice and smoke are tamed by fresh acidity. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Prepare a cocktail umbrella. Collect a blender cup. First add some real ginger for its spicy sweetness. Freshly squeezed lime juice will tame and balance this. Mescal is the lesser-known agave spirit from Mexico and gives a wonderful smoky undertone to this drink. Giant rhubarb is one of the most spectacular endemics of Robinson Crusoe Island. It thrives in this tropical paradise and can grow up to 2 meters. Naked Grouse is a uniquely blended whiskey based around Highland Park and Macallan. It is extra matured and naked first fill sherry cask to create layers of rich and fruity flavour. Add half a scoop of cubed ice. Blend for 20 seconds or until nice and smooth. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Pour. Place an upturned cocktail umbrella into the top of the drink. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.